Welcome back. Today I'm at Sunshine Garden Centre in North London. It's my local garden centre and I come here a lot because the plants are great and the staff are really knowledgeable and friendly. So it's a brilliant garden centre. The reason I'm here today is because I want to talk about pots. Now it's too hot to plant in the ground. It's now August and your plants will really struggle to establish, but take advantage of pots because you can plant in pots pretty much any time of year, apart from in the depths of winter. So although it's hot, you can plant in a pot. So which pot to choose? Nowadays there are loads of pots to choose from and you can have a lot of fun choosing your pot. You can either go cheap and cheerful. So this one's about £6, just basic terracotta pot. I actually really like these pots. I use them a lot and they age really nicely, they fade. Or you can splash out a bit more and get a glazed pot like this one, which is about £15. Or you can go contemporary, like this grey composite pot, which is good in a sort of contemporary urban environment. Now the important thing with pots is to choose the right size for the plant. You want to be quite generous. You want to get a roomy pot so the plant can grow into it and establish and develop. Now, all pots need drainage holes. Very important to have a drainage hole. And they also need to be frost-proof. I've got a selection of pots here of different sizes. So a lovely large pot, medium and small. And these are the kind of plants that you could plant in these pots. And I've got these sizes to show you the kind of scale that you need. So this is an olive tree, which would be lovely in this terracotta pot, just to give you an idea of the kind of size you would need for a small tree. This is a medium-sized pot, and it would be perfect for this salvia hot lips, just to give you some idea. And then in front of me, I've got two small pots, which would be ideal for a herb. So that's the kind of size that you need. Now, it's also very important to get good quality compost. So don't buy cheap compost. Buy good quality compost and spend a bit of money on it because the plant is going to live in there for a little while and it needs all the nutrients. It's a bit noisy here because they're actually arranging the pots around me as I speak. But you'll find a really nice selection of pots in your local garden centre. So have fun buying them and just plant. Now it's August, but you can still plant in a pot and keep an eye on the watering because plants in pots do dry out more quickly than plants in the ground. So you will need to water them regularly, frequently. So keep an eye on the watering. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.